Static and dynamic systems. So what do you mean by static system? Static systems are also called memoryless systems. That means if the system output depends on the present input, then we are calling it as a static system. So for example, voltage across the resistor, so I can write V of t equal to R into I of t. So the voltage across the resistor, that depends on the current flowing through the resistor at that instant. So such type of systems we are calling it as a static system. So one more example for a static system is, suppose if I write a Boolean expression y equal to AB plus CD. So AB is the AND operation, CD is the again AND operation. So then the OR operation between AB and CD is there. So this system is also a static. That means output Y, that is dependent on the present values of the inputs. That means input AB and input CD. So total 4 inputs are there. So based on the present value of these inputs, the output depends. So such type of systems we are calling it as a static systems. So let us consider the dynamic systems. So what do you mean by dynamic system? Dynamic systems are the system whose output depends on the past values. So then such type of systems we are calling it as a dynamic systems. So let us consider the voltage across V of t. So voltage across the capacitors. So then we are writing it as a 1 by c integration of minus infinity to t. So I of t into dt. So that means integration. So it is from minus infinity to t. So voltage across that capacitor depends on the past values. That means system has a memory. So if the system has memory, then we are calling it as a dynamic system. So similarly, you can consider an example of a flip-flop. So flip-flops are the example of dynamic systems. So its output depends on not only the present value and also the past values. Then such type of systems are called dynamic system. So remember here, static means the system without memory. That means if the system is memoryless, then we are calling it as a static system. If the system has memory, then we are calling it as a dynamic system. System has memory means it has to depend on previous values. Then such type of systems we are calling it as a dynamic systems.